Okay, let's just look at an example so that we can easily understand what we are saying here. So the first example we're going to look is saying the first term of an AB is 4 and the common difference is 7. Required. Calculate the first 5 terms and also we should calculate the sum of the first 5 terms. And the second example is determine the arithmetic mean of the following consecutive terms. We have 4B and 8. And we also have 10Z and 0. This is Z. 10Z and 0. Solution. They gave our first term, and our first term is not as A1. It is 4. They gave us the common difference, which is D, and it is 7. They said we should calculate the first 5 terms. Do you know that for us to calculate A5, we can either, for us to calculate, they say the first 5 terms, that means we need to start from A1, which is 4. We calculate A2, which is A1 plus the common difference, and it is 4 plus 7, which equals to 11. Also calculate A3, which is either you take A1 plus 2D or you take A2 plus D. Either you take A1 plus 2D or you take A2 plus D. Let us solve the both and see what it will give us. A1, it is 4 plus 2 in bracket 7, which is 4 plus 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 plus 14 is equals to 18. That's it. Or I can still take my A2, which is 11 plus the common difference 7, which will give us 18. So we see that the answers are still the same. Either we take the previous term plus the common difference, or we take the first term plus 2 common difference. Because we are in A3, it is this formula that we're using, Tn bracket A plus n minus 1D. Use this formula to give you these answers. So we have the fourth term, A4, which is A1 plus 3D. A1 is 4 plus 3 in bracket 7. 4 plus 7 times that is 21. 4 plus 21 will give us 25. That's it. You can still do like this, or you take 18 plus 7 to give you 25. The fifth term, which is A5, is equals to A1 plus 4D. A1 is 4 plus 4 in bracket D is 7. 4 plus 4 times 7, 28. Then you take 28 plus 4 will give you 32. You can still do like this, or you take 25 plus 7 will still give you 32. So that is for the first part, which is A. Then we are going to do the B part, which is they say they calculate the first 5 terms, the sum of the first 5 terms. Note, okay, note this. In a question, they will not tell you to calculate the first 5 terms. They may tell you to calculate the first 5 terms, or they may say calculate the 5th term. If they say calculate the 5th term, you only calculate A5. You do not start from A1. No. It's when they say calculate the first 5 terms. Now you will start from A1 to A5. Then when they say calculate the fifth term of the AP, you only go and calculate the fifth term, which is A5. Alright. Now they say calculate the sum of the first five terms. That's why we will calculate from the sum from A1 to A5. They can still say calculate the sum of the first two terms. That means you only take A1 plus A2. So all that now depends on you. Calculate the B part, they say we should calculate the sum of the first five terms. We already know our formula, which is Sn is equals to A is equals to N all over 2 bracket 2A plus N minus 1D close of bracket. Or you can say either you use this formula. Let us go use this formula. I will say S5 is equals to N here. This is N. It's 5. The term they ask to calculate. It is 5. If they say calculate the first two terms, you use the 2. See, they say calculate the first 5 terms, you use the 5. The term they have to calculate divided by 2. Bracket 2, our A there was 4 plus N plus 5, which is N, minus 1, 7. Also common difference. So you say S5. S5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Bracket 2 times this is 8. Plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Then now you say S5. 2.5. 8 plus 28 will give you 36. S5. 2.5 times 36. 2.5 times 36 will give us 90. That is our S5. Either you use this formula or you say S5 is equals to A, the first term, plus A plus D, the second term, plus A plus 2D, the third term, plus A plus 3D, the fourth term, plus A plus 4D, the fifth term. So it is S5 is equals to 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2, 7 plus 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 plus 4 is to 4 is to 7. So we say S5 is equals to 4 plus 4 plus 7, it is 11 plus 2 times 7, which is 14 plus 4 will give you 18 plus 3 times 7, which is 21 plus 4 will give you 25 plus 4 times 7, which is 28 plus 4 will give you 32. Then you add all this, it will still give you 90. Add all that will still give you 90. So either you use this or you use this. But more precisely, it will be better for you to use the formula because they can ask to calculate the sum of the first 20 terms. So you cannot be doing this up to the 20th term. It will be too cumbersome and too long, wastage of time. So it will be better you use the formula to calculate. Then let's go now to the second one. Our second example 2. A. They said we should calculate the arithmetic mean. Determination of arithmetic mean. Determination of arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Alright. The first one they gave us 4, B, and 8. We know that if you take B minus, if you take 8, which is we represent C, minus B, it will be equal to B, this B, minus 4. Then we bring our items together, we'll send this 8 this side, this 4 this side, 8 plus 4 is equal to B plus B. Then we say 8 plus 4 it is 12 is equal to 2B. We divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. We'll say then B is equal to 12 divided by 2, 6. That's it. Either you do it like that, or you go straight to the formula. Or you go straight to the formula, and using the formula, it is B is equal to A plus C, or you can still say C plus A, all depends on you. All over 2. B will now be equal to C is 8, which is the third term, plus A, the first term, which is 4, divided by 2. It's like 12 divided by 2, which equals to 6. That's it. And note this. This one must not be B. They can even, in the question, they can give you even Z, even Y, anything, just like the second one we're going to do, which is the B part, which they gave you 10, Z, and 0. Z and 0. That's it. This is an Z. We know from our formula that B is equal to C plus A all over 2. Our B here represent, this B represents the Z. That means that Z now will replace this B. It will not be Z is equals to C is 0 plus 10 all over 2, which will be equals to 0 plus 10, 10 divided by 2, 5. That shows that our term will be 10, 5, and 0. Here our term will be 4, 6, and 8. What can we notice from here? We notice that this first one, it is an increasing. The common difference here is if it is more than 0, it's greater than 0. The common difference, because when you take 6 minus 4 will give you 2. 8 minus 6 will give you 2. That shows that the common difference here is greater than 0. And if the common difference is greater than 0, that means it is an increasing AP, arithmetic progression. Then the second term here, we can see that it is 10, 5, and 0. That shows it is the common difference here, it is negative, because when we take 5 minus 10, it will give you negative 5. When you take 0 minus 5, it will give you negative 5. That shows here that the common difference is less than 0, because negative 5 is less than 0. Common difference is less than 0, that means it is a decreasing AP. Okay? I just hope you understand. Okay guys, this math can end to arithmetic progression. Our first video we did the theory part, that is the explanation, and this is the second video we are doing the example, and I hope it was clear and I hope you understood very well. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe. And the next video we're going to do will be on a geometry progression, and I hope I will be at your level. I hope I will be at your standards. So Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and please place your comment on the comment box so that we shall be able to know where we are wrong or bad, and if there's anything we can improve in our video, we shall do that only to please you guys. Welcome once more. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.